Welcome, artists, to Disney's Art of Animation Resort. Today we're going to be bringing you along for a room tour of a Cars family suite. Come along as we explore what this room has to offer. First and foremost, let me say that this room is huge. It is massive. There's a ton of room. I believe they do sleep up to about 6 people, but there is a microwave for whatever you might have from the parks that you want to heat up, or if you grab some dinner, some of that microwavable dinner from the ink and paint shop. There are cups, bowls, plates, silverware, you name it. It's probably here in this room, I do have to say. There is also a sink right here. Hot water, cold water, definitely important. Coffee maker as well. And there's a huge fridge too. Usually they're a little bit smaller in the rooms. There is a huge fridge down here. Fire extinguisher, very important. And paper towels as well. There's a huge couch. Now this couch does pull out, I believe, into a queen sleeper, so if you do have more people than allotted for the beds, you can sleep some people on this couch as well. And this fancy little table has a mat, because again, we are in the Cars suite. You definitely want to know where you're driving. You can see Radiator Springs, Route 66. I do love this for sure. This is a lamp with all the cones. I don't know how to turn it on. I haven't found all the light switches. I think it might be there on the floor or something. Let me see. Oh, there we go. That was pretty easy. Of course, the phone if you need to call guest services or the front desk. I don't know if they do pizza delivery here. I know some of the other resorts did it before COVID. I don't know if they do it here. This room does have a view of the parking lot, so nothing too fancy. We are on the end of the building, so you can see the building 1 sign, which is pretty cool. But parking lot view, again, nothing too fancy. You can always leave this closed if you want to allow in some light, or at night, the cone curtain, you can close that for some privacy. Of course, the TV we know and love, that resort TV channel, always tells you about the complimentary transportation. Park hours, you can see Magic Kingdom is open from 9 to 11 today. Early theme park entry, 8:30 to 9, and then they had extended evening hours for select resorts. Now this is huge. You could definitely fit a lot up here. You could put your merch up here, anything you get from a store, and there's a ton of storage. I've been trying to store some stuff, but there's a ton of storage. You could probably put your clothes or different things in there. Now this area is really interesting. You could probably put like luggage up here if you wanted to, or maybe if you get a big plush from one of the stores, you could store it there. And there is even more storage down here. This is where extra pillows are held. I don't know if there's extra sheets here. They might be in a closet or something. We might come up upon that. Now, this is really interesting. I don't know if this moves. It has wheels, but it does not move. There's some extra storage here if you want to put something in there. This is really interesting, and some of the resorts do have this, so you might already know what this is. I'm going to show it to you in a minute, but it is a table where everybody can eat dinner, and it's also a bed at the same time. So in a little bit, I'm going to show you guys how that works. But I love the art in this resort. Definitely very themed and just overall well theming here. Now this is going to be the master suite, so this is probably where mom and dad would sleep. The kids can sleep outside. Plenty of pillows on the bed. Looks really comfortable. Of course, that cone lampshade right there. Now I walked in here, I thought these were real cards that you were able to keep, but they are in the table, as you could see. I thought they were real, so definitely shows you the theming. More storage. I do have my stuff behind the door right now just so I can film this, but I thought these were real too. I walked up here and I was like, okay, these are real. But a ton of storage. You probably put your clothes or different things in there. The TV, of course, plenty of outlets. And then beyond here, you have the luggage rack, the safe if you need to store anything important. Ironing board and iron, then some clothes hangers. And you can store some even more stuff up there too. Another window if you want to look outside. Again, parking lot view, some trees, nothing too fancy, but it'll get the job done. I love the art in here. And then this is going to be one of the bathrooms. It says car wash. It has those fancy lights. Spiffy in a jiffy. Down there, there's some more storage, a hairdryer. Some soap, towels. It's very bright in here, and that's what I really do like. Fun fact for you guys, Disney's Art of Animation Resort opened in 2011, so it is one of the newest resorts. Before Disney's Riviera Resort opened in 2019, it was the newest resort, but Disney's Art of Animation Resort opened in 2011. Was originally going to be an expansion to Pop Century, but that plan did get scrapped. But big mirror, hello, there I am. Plenty of towels, and of course you can always call and ask for more towels if you need to. Very big door to the shower right there. And then of course this door is for the bedroom, so you obviously do get some privacy. And there is a mirror right there. I think that's just some dust or something like that. Nothing, no drawers or anything right there. Now, the one thing I was looking for when I walked in here was a closet, because a lot of resorts do have closets. I couldn't find one, but it's okay. There's plenty of storage space. Similar concept, spiffy and a jiffy. There's some more towels, hair dryer. So a lot of space here for the second bathroom. And I'm gonna pop the light on. Maybe, there we go. Very nice. Shower curtain. I'm trying to see what it says. I can't really see it that well. Very nice. Here it is. And they're washing Lightning McQueen. That's pretty cool. For the shower, at least. There's some bubbles. Those Disney H2O soaps. I can smell them now. Plenty of tub space, shower space. There's a toilet, extra toilet paper, and extra towels. Now we're going to get back to this in one quick second, but there is an extra chair out here too. And this, again, does pull out into a sleeper, which is really, really nice. But as you can see, again, just a ton of space. You could probably even throw a little party in here if you really wanted to. A ton of space. Now let's go check out how this works. Okay, now, I did pull one of the chairs away, so normally there would be 4 chairs. I did pull one away just so I had something to prop you guys on. But as you can see, if I was to move all these chairs away, so I'm going to take, I already moved the other 2, I'm just going to move these to the side and stack them and put them somewhere else if I wanted to. There is a ton of space in this room. If I had a buddy here, somebody else to help me, we could each take one of these. You could do it one-handed too if you have somebody, but you just pull this down, and voila, you have another bed. And those 2 pillows we saw earlier, they go right on this bed. But we do have another bed. You can see it's Tomater sleeping right there, pretty cool. So you do get another bed. So you get really 3 beds in total. You have that bed, you have that bed over there, you have this bed, and if someone wanted to bring an air mattress or something, I guess you could have more people sleep in here. But this is pretty cool. And you could easily stack these chairs and put them to the side. I mean, you could, I don't know, I'm trying to think of somewhere where you could leave them. I guess you could like leave them right here in the middle of the night or something. You could move these chairs, and then I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put it back up. So when you are done and getting ready to go to the park, or you guys wanna have dinner or something like that, you can simply come over here, and you simply just pull it up. Obviously want to make sure it's secure, and then boom, you have your table back. I'm going to put these chairs back right here, and they don't make a lot of noise. You know when you drag a chair on the ground, it makes so much noise. These really don't make a lot of noise, to be honest with you. You can see I'm purposely dragging it on the ground right now. It's not making a lot of noise. So, win-win. I like these rooms a lot, and they also have Finding Nemo rooms, and they also have Lion King rooms. And they do have Little Mermaid rooms as well. And of course, the cars. One day, if they were to expand here, I would love to see some more movies and shows. On my way over here, I was actually thinking about how cool a Frozen family suite would be. You could have like different Frozen things in the room. I think that would be really, really cool. But thank you all so much for watching. Again, here from Disney's Art of Animation Resort. This is a Cars family suite. Very big rooms, very spacious. I hope this inspires you to stay at Disney's Art of Animation Resort and to even come here to Walt Disney World. Have a fantastic rest of your day, everybody. Take care. Remember that you are the magic, and we'll see you very soon.